There is a strange phenomenon happening right now. While you are watching this, a part of your brain is calculating whether to keep paying attention or switch to something easier. This calculation happens thousands of times a day, quietly destroying your ability to do anything meaningful. But what if the same neural mechanism making you avoid hard work can be flipped to make you crave it? What if discipline could feel as good as scrolling? That is not motivation talk, that is neuroscience. By understanding how your brain actually works, you will discover why willpower has been failing you and what you need to do instead. Your brain operates on a simple economic principle, constantly asking what the best return on energy investment is. Every action gets evaluated. High effort with uncertain reward causes your brain to hit the brakes, while low effort with guaranteed pleasure gets a green light. This is survival programming from a time when conserving energy meant staying alive. The problem is that your ancient brain is now living in a modern world designed to exploit it. Every app, snack, and piece of content has been engineered by teams of scientists to trigger the exact neural pathways that make you feel good with zero effort. Your brain isn't broken, it is being hacked. When you can't start a project, a tiny cluster of neurons called the nucleus accumbens, your brain's motivation engine, is at play. It runs on dopamine, which is the wanting chemical, not the pleasure chemical. Dopamine spikes when you anticipate a reward, which is why scrolling feels so compelling. Every swipe might reveal something interesting. However, when you get too many easy dopamine hits, your brain adapts through downregulation, meaning your dopamine receptors decrease. You suddenly need more stimulation to feel the same level of interest. A book feels boring, and a workout feels impossible. You're experiencing a tolerance effect. The beautiful thing about neuroplasticity is that what can be broken can also be fixed. A dopamine detox isn't about removing dopamine itself. It is about removing the artificial, hyper-stimulating sources of it. When you eliminate easy pleasures, your dopamine receptors upregulate and become more sensitive. Suddenly, natural rewards like completing a task or finishing a workout start registering again. For the first few days, you will feel restless and irritable. This is withdrawal, a sign that your brain is being forced to adjust. To practically implement this, identify your highest dopamine activities that require the least effort, like social media, games, or junk food, and eliminate them temporarily for 7 days. You must replace them with slower, sustainable rewards, like reading a physical book, cooking, or walking without headphones. As you persist, your brain shifts from seeking fleeting pleasure to building lasting satisfaction. Studies show that delayed gratification strengthens the prefrontal cortex, which handles decision-making and self-control. Every time you choose discipline over distraction, you upgrade your operating system. Over time, discipline stops feeling like a battle and becomes your natural state. True freedom is having a brain that works for you, not against you. Step away from the noise, accept the temporary discomfort, and allow your brain to rewire for permanent transformation.